I believe curiosity is very important. Asking questions and being very open to learn and being willing to experiment, and don't view risk as a negative, view taking risk as a positive, because you will learn something, and the speed at which you can learn defines how fast you can succeed. I was a dishwasher in a Chinese restaurant when I was 12 years old. And that was my first job. I've been working ever since, and I love working.
How much did you earn?
Oh, I don't know, maybe $1 or $1.50 an hour or something. It wasn't very much.